This is your Ride of the Week.
Hello, I'm Brad Spoonmore with Toyota Terre Haute, and today we are going to talk about how we buy a new car even though there are no new cars on our lot for sale. As you can see, I'm standing in front of a 2022 Toyota Corolla, and it is sold. If you come to our dealership, you're probably going to notice that. We do have a process, and today we're just going to go over exactly how we do that. Step one in the process is to tell us what you want. Say you want a Highlander. There's none on the lot, but we do have this board over here. This board is our entire inventory that is on the way. The next step is to go inside the office, and we will print what we call a VSpec, which has the price of the vehicle and all the options. Okay, step two in the process is once the salesperson establishes what vehicle you would like to purchase, they come into our sales office and they tell either myself or one of the other sales managers, hey, I need a VSpec on the black Highlander that's coming in. So then I come to my computer, which shows everything I have coming in stock. There's my black Highlander XLE. I click on this box, I select VSpec, and here very quickly this VSpec will print, and the salesperson would go over it and make sure it's exactly what the customer's looking for. Black Highlander XLE has the price of the vehicle right there and all the options. The next question I always get is, when's the vehicle going to be here? And I have access to that information also, and I can see that it's been allocated to us and it's scheduled to be built in Princeton, Indiana. We usually receive those vehicles about 10 to 14 days after they're built. So I could confidently tell the salesperson to inform the customer that your vehicle will be here in 10 to 14 days. Customer says, great, I'll take it. We have them sign off on their VSpec. We collect a $500 deposit on that vehicle, and then I mark this vehicle as sold so that nobody else can buy it. Then when the vehicle arrives, we call the customer, we get it detail cleaned, and we send them home in it.
Ride of the Week, brought to you by Toyota of Terre Haute.